10-minute delivery. Is it a blessing or is it a curse? Let's say it's 1 in the morning and you order a bottle of Coke and a bag of chips. Why? Because you're hungry and you can't sleep. You take your phone, you open the app, you place the order. Which order do you choose? The 10-minute one, obviously, because you cannot sleep. You're hungry and you need the bag of chips and the bottle of Coke right now. It's been 10 minutes and your order isn't here yet. You check your phone to track the delivery. You can see him. He's 2 minutes from your house, but he's not moving. You call him, no answer. You try to chat, no answer. Frustrated, you call the helpline, who then calm you down and say they'll assign a different driver and you'll get your order and also a discount code for this bad experience. You finally get your bag of chips and a bottle of Coke and you call it a night. You wake up the next morning and turn on the news, only to see the headline, "Delivery boy dies while making a 10-minute delivery." You check the company, it's the app you ordered from. You check the location of accident, it's 2 minutes from your house. You check the time of death, 5 minutes after you place the order. Yes, this is the reality of the delivery boys who wait at the dark stores. As soon as you place the order, rush to your location, sometimes to never reach the location at all.
Today, the government of India has stepped in. They said no more 10-minute deliveries. The deliveries can still be fast, but the 10-minute deadline will have to go.
सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के हस्तक्षेप के बाद क्विक कॉमर्स कंपनीज जैसे कि ब्लिंकिट एक्सेट्रा अब 10 मिनट में डिलीवरी की जो ब्रांडिंग है वो हटाएंगी.
Now, this intervention by the central government wasn't done as a prevention. They intervened after multiple delivery boys lost their lives. They intervened after they did protests for being underpaid and putting their lives on the line. Most of the delivery boys have no insurance and get no compensation in the event of death. Their families have to face the burden of loss and a financial crisis at the same time. These boys are hardly any stuntmen to drive on these pothole-filled roads, only to deliver the latest iPhone to you in 10 minutes. Why? Because you forgot your anniversary date and had to order it in 10 minutes. I have personally seen so many delivery boys on their cycles, scooters, bikes, Ulus, possibly without a driver's license, breaking signals and coming in front of cars because the clock on their phone is about to reach 10 minutes and they may not get paid for this delivery. You know how 10-minute delivery could work in India? Maybe if there were proper roads. Maybe if there was a distinction between heavy vehicles, four-wheelers, two-wheelers, and pedestrian lane. Maybe if everyone followed the traffic signal. Maybe if there were drones instead of human beings delivering the order. Maybe if there was a dark store in every lane, in every building. Or even better, if there was a flying physical store just waiting for you to place the order and deliver the product to you from your window. Jokes apart, we don't need 10-minute delivery. It is just the product of the endless competition between companies at the cost of human lives. Remember, it is an actual human being when you order something online who is rushing to your doorstep, and nothing should be more important than the life of the person delivering the order. Thank you for watching.